One of the great features we have added for your convenience is what we call the boat availability calendar. There are certain days that you might not be available, and therefore you would want your repair person or technician to know this. All you have to do is to click on the hamburger menu in the My Boat section. This brings you to a list of options where you have boat availability calendar. Upon clicking here, you have the option of adding an event. Here you can see owner occupied. Click on that and then enter the details for whatever day and event that you have. Let's set up an event for the whole day on the 15th. We're going to say that we are taking the boat out, and therefore the boat is not available, and we will add an event. This will show a dot on that particular day for which you set up this event. When you click on that day, you should see all the list of events. So when your technician is ready to work on your boat, they will also see this particular event and they will know not to schedule their repair on this particular day. The result is no more hassle or phone tag trying to schedule service appointments.